Over 2,000 years ago, the philosopher Plato wrote of a mighty empire, wealthy and advanced beyond imagination. He called it Atlantis, a city that vanished in a single night, swallowed by the sea. Since then, the legend has haunted human history. Subscribe if you love strange and mysterious truths, and stay with us until the very end. To some, Plato's story was nothing more than fiction, a moral tale about arrogance and collapse. But others believe it was based on a real civilization that met a tragic fate. And over centuries, Atlantis grew from allegory into one of the greatest mysteries on Earth. The surprising twist? The latest evidence doesn't point to the oceans at all, but to the heart of the Sahara Desert. In Mauritania lies a massive circular formation known as the Eye of the Sahara, or the Richat structure. From space, it appears as a colossal target etched into the desert. Plato described Atlantis as a city built in concentric circles of land and water, rings surrounding its heart. Compare that with the eye's perfect circles, and the similarity is nothing short of eerie. Satellite imagery reveals the resemblance even more. A natural formation, yes, but arranged in a way that echoes the very diagrams Plato left behind. Could this be coincidence? Or a clue? Scientists studying the eye found fractured rocks, rare minerals, and even signs that water once flowed across the region. This wasn't always lifeless sand. It was once fertile ground. Geological evidence suggests the Sahara might have been home to lakes and rivers thousands of years ago. Imagine, where we see endless dunes today, there may have once been a thriving landscape. Fossils of seashells and marine sediments have been discovered embedded in the desert stone. Proof that water truly dominated this land. Did a city rise here, only to be erased when the climate shifted? Archaeologists exploring the area uncover hints of ancient human presence, though definitive proof remains elusive. The desert hides its secrets well. The Sahara itself was not always a desert. It transformed over millennia. Once green and lush, it slowly dried into the barren expanse we know today. A city caught in that transition would have faced devastation. Geological models even suggest massive tectonic upheavals could have shattered the land. Imagine a sudden collapse, a shift so violent it destroyed entire settlements in moments. Ancient cultures across the world tell of floods, epic deluges that drowned whole civilizations. Could Atlantis simply be one version of the same story, remembered differently across continents? Some legends describe people fleeing as their homes sank beneath the waves. Whether real or symbolic, these stories capture the terror of watching a world vanish overnight. Modern scientists debate fiercely. To some, the eye is nothing but erosion, a geological quirk. To others, the resemblance to Plato's tale is too precise to ignore. The truth seems to lie on a razor's edge between myth and science. Supporters of the Atlantis theory argue that erosion alone cannot explain the eye's perfect symmetry. They see it as evidence of human design, an ancient city now disguised by time. Skeptics dismiss this as fantasy. Yet when you look into the heart of the Sahara's eye, glowing faintly under the desert sun, you can't help but feel it hides a story, one we've only just begun to uncover. And now, your challenge. If Atlantis truly existed, do you believe it lies beneath the Sahara? Or is it still lost beneath the sea? Leave your answer in the comments. This week's secret word is I. Remember the rules, comment with your answer, and include the secret word. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. If this episode reaches 1,000 likes and 1,000 comments before next Friday, one of you will win $50 via Western Union.